up guys, Eric from BSonic here. If you are new to this channel, BSonic USA, we are about car accessories, audio solutions, and retrofit kits where you can modernize your vehicle, make your car a bit more useful inside the car. We have solutions like adding CarPlay, Android Auto to our older infotainment system, mostly Toyota Lexuses. We also have sound upgrades, plug-and-play amplifiers, and on top of that, we also sell car-specific phone holders. And I'm holding here the BRZ63A. This phone holder here is specifically made for the current generation GR86, that's Toyota GR86 and Subaru BRZ. We have other similar phone holders already out. The only difference with the BRZ63A is it uses a newer, more updated wireless charger. This is a newer version one where the magnetic portion that attaches to your charging, it actually adjusts by itself and it finds that location so that when you place your phone on the phone holder, you can be confident that your phone charges right away. You don't have to move your phone around and try to find that perfect spot for that charger to latch on. This one actually moves around and it finds that perfect spot. So you just place it on there and you're done and your phone starts charging. So let me show you what's inside the box right here. So in here, you'll find, of course, the instructions manual. Always review the instructions manual in detail on how to install it and all the details that pertains to using this product. On one of the bags, you'll find the actual phone charger, and in the other bag, you'll find the stand portion. And if you look at this, this is custom molded for the GR86 and Subaru BRZ interior, the current generation one. And as you can see here, it fits in perfectly. There's an adhesive here that latches onto the side, and this is adjustable. It has a lot of adjustability in this arm here. You can adjust it to get that perfect angle you want without interfering with your shifter, and depending on the phone you have, so that it won't be touching any of your interior parts. So there's a lot of adjustments that could be done here. And if you want to see how this particular stand installs in your vehicle, we have a few videos out already on YouTube. We'll leave the link in the description. Click on it and you'll find exactly how to install this in your car. We have some installation tools. So we have a little plastic tweezer here. With this little tweezer, can remove the back end of the double-sided tape, and we also have some other adhesive here that you can remove with this. And if you want to tighten up the grip between the stand and the holder here, it's really tight, but as you use this for a prolonged time and if you keep removing it on and off, it can loosen up within time. You can use this clear tape which goes over here and it'll tighten up the tension between the stand and the holder. And let's power this up. Kit also comes with cable, USB-C on one side, which will connect to the holder on the bottom, and the other side will connect to the USB plug on your GR86. Note that this wireless charger is 15 watts, so it charges faster than your factory USB. But note that your factory USB, depending on ampage that it gives out, may prevent this holder from having its full 15 watts. So if you want a full 15 watt experience, you may have to get a separate USB adapter that connects your cigarette lighter jack that has a higher amperage, and you can plug it into this wireless charger. So once it's plugged in, has a motor in here where it adjusts to your phone automatically. So let me do a little test here. Here's an iPhone 16 Pro. You just simply set it up right here. And once it detects that the phone's on here, this mechanism will automatically grab a hold of the phone. And look over here, it's charging. If you want to release your phone, just go on the bottom here and you just have to press on this. It releases and I easily can remove it. And now it's ready for the phone to come on. So let me try with another phone. We have the Samsung S25 here. Okay, same thing. Just place it on here. The holder detects it. It grabs onto the phone and it is charging. Fast wireless charging. Very high quality, built really well. And there's probably nothing like this out in the market right now. Very cool device. So what is the purpose of this BSA63A wireless charger kit for your GR86 BRZ? Very, very simple. It's for convenience, so you don't have to mess with any wires and so forth. And it's a convenient way to be able to charge your phone while you're driving, because your eyes should be on the road, not fiddling around and looking for wires and cables to try to plug it into your phone. So you can just very easily just locate the phone holder, which is going to be mounted on the side of you. Set your phone here and it will just start to charge. And the benefit of using a wireless charger compared to plugging into the phone right here, it can possibly charge faster, and it's just very, very convenient, and it's safer because you're not going around looking for the cables. All you have to do is just place your phone on this wireless charger. It makes it a very, very easy, seamless way to keep your phone charged while you're driving. In the GR86 and BRZ, the interior is a bit limited to where you can keep your phone. So a lot of times you might just end up keeping it under your armrest or the glove box or even your side pocket. But now you have a very easily accessible area to the right side of your shifter. No longer do you need to go and reach out to your side pocket or under your armrest to pick up your phone and see and look at your phone, because that can also cost you a traffic violation ticket. So keeping your phone mounted on the side, keeping it hands-free, and just being able to see the information you need from your phone very easily and efficiently while not being dangerous, and also by following the laws, is a very big benefit to having this wireless charger and having your phone mounted to the side of your shifter area. If you're still here watching the video, thank you very much for watching. It just shows that you have a lot of interest in our video and our products. So if you are one of them, go ahead and help us. Hit that subscribe button, give us that like. It really helps us out. Thank you very much. So another advantage of having this wireless charging, and especially with this automatic motor, is so some of those manual ones where you have to clip it in yourself, like you got to place your phone in and then you have to do another movement of just pushing in the side to fit your phone, and to give that manual tension requires a few more movement when placing your phone here. But then for this one, it's very, very simple. You just place it on here and then it'll grip in for you. And it's on here really, really good. Like, it's not coming off. Okay? It does a really good job doing so. And even when removing it, it just takes one touch from the bottom and that's it. Whereas the other manual one, it requires you to do the tension. Sometimes you have to manually like move it out. For that, this makes it very, very easy, right? Like, that's it. And it's on here. Very, very good. It's not falling off. It's not going anywhere. And also, this is very special because this has a charging coil that auto aligns to your phone. So depending on what phone you have, so we have a Samsung here. We also have an iPhone here. A lot of times the wireless charging part of the phone can differ depending on the size of the phone, right? Because it's not, yes, it could always be in the middle, but if your phone is larger, then the middle of this phone is gonna be different than a larger phone. If you look very, very carefully, there's a little LED here that shows you where the center of the coil is, and it's really cool. Like, you can make this move around a bit. And this one has a case here. So if you look back here, there's actually a little bit of space between the phone holder and the phone, but it still charges. Going back to the installation process of this phone holder here, we have a very thorough YouTube video on how to install it. I think we made 2 of them, so we'll leave it in the description and you can check that out. But just to give you an overview, so we have this piece here, we have an adhesive, and on the passenger side, right to the right side of your shifter, this area clips right onto it. It fits firmly onto the side. Of course, you'll remove this backing on this adhesive and you'll clean the surface area with this alcohol wipe that's included in the kit. You'll clean it, you'll let it dry, remove this adhesive up here too, and then you'll place it right on that ridge. It fits there perfectly. And there is a template that comes with the instructions manual. We don't have it in this box here, but it comes in the kit. Just place it, it'll give you the exact location on where this should be mounted. Press where the adhesive is, give it some pressure for about a minute, let go, and then just place this on here, and you are all done. Make your adjustments. There's a lot of adjustments you can make. There's a 1, 2, 3-point adjustment to get that perfect angle and that location that is optimal for your phone and to not hinder your driving, especially if you have a manual transmission. All right guys, well today in this video we talked about how this device works, how it installs, all the benefits to having a wireless charger, and all the benefits of having a car-specific mounted phone holder, and how this wireless charger differentiates itself with the other ones out in the market, with it being 15 watt. It also has a coil that auto aligns to your phone, and it has a automatic mechanism that holds your phone very firmly and very securely so that you do not have to second guess if your phone is secure or not, and for you to have easy access to your phone if needed. For all of you guys that have made it this far to this video, I'd like to hear your opinion if you guys have a wireless charger in your vehicle, and if you do, would you be interested in upgrading to something like this? And if you don't, would you be interested in having something like this? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Go ahead and share your thoughts in the comment section. Really appreciate that. All right guys, well that's it for me today. Thank you very much for watching. And once again, if you haven't yet, help our channel, give us that subscribe button, give us that like. We really appreciate that. And we'll make sure to come out with a lot of cool videos in the future. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.